I never knew I wanted to be an architect. I knew that I wanted to be an inventor, someone that created things in unimaginable ways and made people's lives better, someone that listens to people and shares their stories and cultures. I didn't know what architecture meant or the responsibility behind it. There are at least as many definitions of architecture as there are architects. Most days, architecture is a tough practice. On others, it is wonderfully satisfying. My granddad, before he passed away, he suggested studying interior design, and my father suggested engineering. And somehow architecture was something in the middle. I lived in a country where no matter how hard you work, you don't get into architectural school. I didn't know architecture, but I knew that I couldn't let it go. And when I did get in architectural school, day by day, for 2 years, my love grew. There's so much to architecture that meets the eye. There's history, construction, engineering, technology, materials, and aesthetics. We had to move to the UK and start our lives again. I couldn't enroll at a university just yet. And for months, yes, life was bearable, but it was mostly hard. Until May 18, 2017, I made the choice to start this channel. And I was also honored by the BA for being an exemplary student at my university. Architecture provides a sense of place and support of all types of human activity. It also helps the man-made fit in harmony with the environment. It enriches lives aesthetically and spiritually. It creates legacies and reflects and symbolizes cultures, traditions, and values. It's okay to struggle or to be wrong or to have to rebuild 1,000 times. But the great tragedy is closing our eyes and walking by life's opportunity. Everything you need to rebuild your life or the life you dream of is around you. And every move that you take, if you'd only reach for it, before your eyes, you become the architects of the world. Nothing is impossible when you are the one setting the rules, when your hand is drawing the guidelines. Never look at the obligation, just look at the opportunity ahead. You're a strong and fearless fighter, and you have that drive that will get you where you want to be. If you choose architecture, know it's a long path ahead, and a path that is only rewarding after years of hard work and integrity. But I guess that's what makes it so addictive. It's a challenge, and I'm ready.